Hello, welcome to our channel for rprogramming for beginners. In this video, we will show how to sort data frames in rprogramming. So for example, the grade is a data frame. You can sort the observations of grade in terms of one variable of this data frame. So grade with a bracket, then is a comma, then in front of the comma is order function, order grade age. So, and after the comma is empty, which means all the columns will be sorted in terms of the observations with respect to the value of age from young to old. And you can also sort in terms of two variables. So here, order the gender first, then age for within each gender, then observations will be sorted in terms of the age. And if you want to sort from the old to young, so you can use the negative symbol in front of this variable. So next we will show how to perform this in RStudio. So first, we will load a CSV file to create a data frame called grade that will show the grades structure using str function. So this data frame contains 20 observations with 10 variables and several variables like gender, age, we will work with later. So first example, we will sort this data frame by age from younger to older using order function inside the bracket for this grade data frame. Then we assign the result to a new data frame called test. So it is done. Then we show test now. So if we look at the observations, test data frame, so now the age, all the observations have been reordered with the value of age from young to older. Next, you can sort the data frame's observations by two variables. So here, grade bracket, then inside the grade is the order function. So for the order function, there are two variables. Passed the grade gender first, then grade age. We show again this test observe data frame. So now the observations are arranged with the gender female first. So a female observations part age from younger to older. So next observations, 10 observations is male, and again for each male from the younger to older are ordered. You can also sort by age, but from older to younger. So we just add a negative symbol in front of age variable here. We show again this test result. So same as before, female is first group of observations after sorted. Then this time, age from older to younger for each gender. For the male part, age older to younger. You can also download the source files for each section for the playlist of rprogramming for beginners, and all the videos will be uploaded later. Thanks for watching.